Have you ever tried disputing a negative account only to get a letter back saying verified? No explanation, no proof, and now your credit is still wrecked. Here's the truth. Just because something is reported doesn't mean it's legal or accurate. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 dispute methods you can use, even as a complete beginner, to challenge negative accounts and take control of your credit. Stay locked in, because if you're serious about rebuilding your score, this video could be your turning point. Whether your credit is struggling because of late payments, collections, or accounts you didn't even open, today we're breaking down the 5 most effective ways to dispute negative items and take back control of your credit report. We'll cover simple beginner-friendly tactics plus a few powerful legal strategies most people don't even know exist, including how to challenge bad data, demand verification, and spot reporting violations. By the end of this video, you'll know which method works best for your situation and when to use it to get results. 5 proven dispute methods. Let's fix your credit. Let's jump in. 1. Factual dispute. Let's start with the easiest and most powerful for beginners. The factual dispute. This is where you look at your credit report and highlight anything that's factually incorrect. Wrong balance, inaccurate dates, misspelled names, duplicate entries. Once you spot the error, you write the credit bureau, provide your evidence, and request deletion or correction. No legal codes needed, just the truth and documentation. 2. Consumer law dispute. Next up is the consumer law dispute. And this is where things get powerful. Even if the item looks correct, if it was reported unfairly or without following federal laws, it's a violation under the FCRA or FDCPA. For example, did they verify the debt? Did they report without giving you a notice? Did they respond in 30 days? Use legal pressure and cite sections like 15 U.S.C. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐵 and suddenly you've got leverage. When they break the law, they lose the right to report. Know your rights equal to dispute power. 3. Method of verification, MOV. Ever get that annoying letter that says, "We've verified your account," but they don't tell you how? That's where the method of verification dispute comes in. You have the right to ask, how did you verify this? Did they call the creditor? Review documents? Pull from a database? If they can't tell you, or if it was a lazy 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 click, they're in violation. This is how you challenge their process, not just the info. Move equal to challenge the process, not just the info. 4. Identity theft, fraud-based dispute. This one's for anyone who's been a victim of identity theft or had someone else open accounts in their name. Under Section 605B of the FCRA, if you provide a police report or FTC identity theft affidavit, proof of identity and address, the credit bureaus must block or delete that account fast, usually within 4 business days. Don't ignore unauthorized accounts. This is a legal fast track to removal. Overlay? Fraud-based equals fast deletion with docs. 5. Permissible purpose dispute. Last on the list, the permissible purpose dispute. Every inquiry or account on your report must have a legal reason to be there. If a company pulled your credit without your permission or a valid reason, that's a violation of your rights under 15 U.S.C. 𝐸1681B. You can challenge hard inquiries, collection entries, old accounts. If they can't prove they had your consent, it's got to go. No permission equals no reporting. So to recap, here are the top 5 dispute methods for beginners. 1. Factual dispute. Fix the errors. 2. Consumer law dispute. Use your rights. 3. Method of verification. Challenge the process. Identity theft dispute. Fast-track fraud removal. 5. Permissible purpose dispute. If they didn't have the right, you have the power. Now it's your turn. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. If this helped you, hit that like button to support the channel. Subscribe for weekly credit repair tips, templates, and step-by-step walkthroughs. And if you want a free starter dispute kit, check the link in the description.